loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a Decocrated, I guess it's not really an unboxing as much as it is just kind of like a styling video, how I styled all of the items that came in my Decocrated box. If you haven't watched my Decocrated unboxings before, I will leave them in the description box below. But basically, Decocrated is a seasonal home decor subscription box. So every single season, summer, spring, fall, winter, you will get a box shipped directly to your door, and it is filled with a whole bunch of really cute home decor. And what I like is that they all kind of tie into the box that you got the month or the season before. So everything is all kind of like matching. So as you add more boxes to your collection, you add more decor that goes along with the decor you've gotten before in the boxes. I've just been so happy with everything that I've gotten in the boxes before. It's $79.99 a season, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, so be sure to use that. I will leave that right here. I will also have it in the description box, and that will save you guys some money off of your box. And then of course I will link it down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But it's just such a fun box. If you like home decor and you like subscription boxes, it's like the perfect box for you because it's so much fun and it's all home decor based. It's not lifestyle, it's not fashion, it's not beauty. It's literally just home decor. So it is just totally up my alley. I love, you guys know I love home decor. I love styling and switching up my decor and changing it out for the seasons. I just think it's super fun. And the thing that I like about Decocrated is that it is seasonal. So every single season it's themed towards that season. So this month, or so this box is fall, and it's geared obviously towards fall. Also, they feature artists every single season, like a different artist, which is like usually a cute little print, or sometimes they'll have their designs on like a pillowcase or some kind of like material, something like that, which is really cool, like a bag or something. So it's kind of a fun way to have like a little bit of unique like art in your home, which I think is lovely. So today I'm basically just gonna show you guys what all came in my box and how I styled it in my home, and I hope you guys enjoy. This one I was like, mainly I decorated my kitchen with, and I did decorate my laundry room with one item, but for the most part, I just kind of stuck to my kitchen, and I absolutely love the items that I got. So I hope you guys enjoy and find this helpful, and if you have gotten it in the past, please leave a comment in the description box, in the comment section, so that you can let other people know how you guys like it. But I have been very happy with mine, and everything comes very, very well packaged, so nothing has ever broken. I've never had a problem with that. Happy almost fall, and let's get started. Okay guys, so the very first thing I got is this candle holder. So it's actually a candlestick holder, but because I don't actually have any candlesticks and I don't really burn candles anymore since I diffuse oils, I found that it would actually be better if I just used it as a stand. So I just flipped it upside down, and it's just this black thing. I already had this that I had just had on my counter, and so I just put this on top of the candle holder, flipped upside down, and it is now a cute little stand for my diffuser setup. So I thought it was kind of fun, and it's kind of different. It's a little bit interesting, and it's a great way to use it if you don't actually have candlesticks. So that's the first item that I got. And then the second item was this cute little framed artwork. So this frame I already got in my very first Decocrated box, and every month, or I'm sorry, every season, you get a new piece of artwork that is related to that season. So this time it is the pumpkin spice latte, cute little kind of like recipe. And then on the back side, they're always reversible. It says double toil and trouble. So that's kind of like more Halloween. And then this one is definitely more fall. So I'll stick that right there and I'll put it back. But basically that is just a cute little kind of piece of artwork now. The next thing I got is this. Now I haven't quite found a place to put this because it's a little bit too short for my table. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it just yet. But it is super cute, and it's basically just this like little table runner. But my table is quite long, so it just didn't work. And then on the other way, it hits the chairs, like the way my chairs are, they have arms. So it didn't really work out, but it's actually quite long. It just wasn't quite long enough for our table, so I'll have to find something else for it. But it's super cute, and it's got like all these different kind of like pine cones and leaves, and then it's just kind of like a cream and a black pattern. So it's really cute. So right now we're just keeping it folded up, but eventually I'll find a place to put it. Okay, next are these cute little pumpkins. So these are, it's funny because they look like they're gonna be soft, but they're actually hard. But then it's got like the velvet over the top. So they feel like soft to the touch, but they're not plush, if you know what I mean. They're like actually hard, like you can't squeeze them. So you get this really cute little blue one and then that cute little orange one. And I think they're so adorable. And then you also get this picture. So it says falling leaves, harvest breeze, bonfire nights, hot chocolate mornings, cuddles and snuggles, grateful hearts, autumn skies, pumpkin pies, and everything nice. So that's so cute. So basically if you just step back, this is what the whole entire counter looks like. That is from a former Decocrated box. That is also from a former Decocrated box. That's where I keep all my oils. This little frame or this little gold thing, it was black. I painted it gold, but that was from a Decocrated box. And then I also have this little basket that came in this month's or this season's Decocrated box. So it's this cute little basket. And you can actually hang it on the wall if you want to and put kind of like a fake plant in there, or you can use it like I did because it does have a flat bottom. And I actually just keep my, I actually need to take off the tag, but you can just keep your wooden spoons or like anything that you use in the kitchen to like cook with. That's what I've been using it for. They're all in the dishwasher at the moment, but that's how I have styled mine. And it's actually really great. It holds all the wooden spoons really nicely and then it looks really cute. So perfect way to store stuff. And then if you come over here, this was also in my Decocrated box. So it says our happy place. And it's just a cute little sign. And then I've put it with some cute little fake plants that I've already had. And my bananas. So yeah, that's what that says. And then my last thing I will go and show you is in the laundry room. Okay, so here is the last thing. It is up on my shelf in my laundry room. It says Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest, open daily. And then it also comes with an interchangeable little thing. And that's what I like about Decocrated, is that so many of the things are reversible or interchangeable. So it's really cool. So that one is kind of more Halloween inspired and that one is more fall inspired. And it came with the actual like wooden tote box. So I just keep like my bleach and just extra kind of laundry room stuff in there. So that is everything. So that's everything that came in my Decocrated box and how I styled everything that came in for this season. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to go ahead and check out Decocrated if you haven't already. I will also leave those other videos of the other former unboxings that I have done in the past. I think I've been getting this now for like a year and a half, so I really like it. It's really great if you like home decor. I just feel like it's just like the perfect box if you are a home decor lover. So definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.